are you, my dear students? I hope that all of you are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. Dear students, in the previous class, I taught you about parts of speech in details. Today, we will learn about noun in details. Dear students, do you know about noun or what is called noun? Okay, no problem. Now listen to me. A naming word is called a noun. In another sense, we can say a noun is a word used as the name of a person, place or thing. For example, we can say chair, table, bench, pen, Rohim, Purim, and so on. These are known to you as noun. Clear, my dear students? Next, go to the classification of noun. Do you know how many kinds of noun? Okay, there are mainly two kinds of noun. What are they? Look at the blackboard and listen to me with carefully. There are mainly two kinds of noun. They are concrete noun and abstract noun. What do you know about concrete noun? A concrete noun can be detected and felt with our five senses. Clear? Such as we can say Rohim, Purim, Dhaka. These are known to you as concrete noun. Again, this concrete noun is divided into two kinds. How many kinds of concrete noun? There are four kinds of concrete noun. What are they? They are proper noun, common noun, collective noun, and at last material noun. Now we have to learn in details these kinds of noun. At first, proper noun. What is proper noun? A particular naming word is called a proper noun. Clear? For example, we can say Dhaka, Rohim, Meghna, and so on. These are known to you as proper noun. Dear students, you will remember that if the word is proper noun, its first letter must be capital always. It is noticeable. Okay. Next, number 2, common noun. What is common noun? A common noun does not denote any particular name but in common to all. Such as we can say rivers, men, women. These are known to you as common noun. There is a lot of rivers in the world, but if we say only rivers, it is common to all, not particular. In the same way, we can say man and woman. is common to all, not a particular name. Clear? Next, number 3, collective noun. What is collective noun? A collective noun denotes a group or collection of similar individuals. Only a group of collection. Okay. For example, we can say team, army, and family. These are the example of collective noun. Number 4, material noun. What do you know about material noun? A material noun denotes the matter or substance. It cannot be counted, only measured or weighed. Such as we can say rice, sugar, and salt. These are material noun. Okay, my dear learners. Next, abstract noun. What is abstract noun? An abstract noun denotes some quality, state, or action. It cannot be seen or touched, only felt. For example, we can say kindness, honesty, and happiness. These are abstract noun. Okay, my dear students, thank you. Besides this noun, there are two kinds of noun. Do you know? Okay, now listen to me. Number 1, countable noun. What is countable noun? The noun that can be counted is called a countable noun. For example, chair, bench, and pen. These are countable. At last, uncountable noun. What is uncountable noun? The noun that cannot be counted, only measured or weighted, is called uncountable noun. For example, oil, rice, and tea. Okay, my dear learners, thank you. In the next class, you will learn about adjective in details at home. This is your HW. Thank you.